Hello, my name is Brian Kerming, and my partner is James Leo, and we're gonna talk about our final project. So, our final project was us finding the electric resistance on the wires and how it changes due to the causes of length, thickness, and the type of material. So, our research question was, do the types of metals or materials differ in electrical resistance? So, our materials. The wires we used in this project was our 28 gauge 100 feet aluminum wire. The other wire was a Durasteel type. Other materials we needed was a multimeter. This instrument was important because it helped us to what we needed to find, which was the electrical resistance. Handy tools like the tape rule helped us measure the lengths of the wires we needed to record our data. So to the experiment. As before, what we were experimenting was the electric resistance in the wires. So to record our data, we set up a plan to test. What we did with the wires was that we measured the wires in 4 different lengths. We cut from 5-inch to 10, 15, 20. Then after that, our first material we tested was the aluminum wire. So as we tested each length to see how much resistance it could produce. After we tested everything, we recorded our data and we noticed a significant change in the data table. Every time we increased the lengths, the resistance increased. We determined that the higher the resistance got, the less electricity the wire could conduct. After we finished with the aluminum, we got our other material, which was the Durasteel. This type of wire had more electrical resistance since the wire was pretty thick than the aluminum. We noticed that the resistance increased twice as more than the aluminum wire. As we recorded our finding, it was time to test the thickness. In the thickness test, the plan was to test the strand of wires when applied together. We had 4 different strands, all measured to 1 feet. Single, double, triple, and quadruple. As we finished the test, there was a major change in the data. We didn't expect this from happening. As we tested a single strand, its resistance was at the highest. But as we increased the thickness, the strand thickness, the resistance started to decrease and it decreased more. And, well, it was confusing. Why? Why would it go? Why would the resistance go down when the material gets thicker and thicker?